The year is 3500 BCE. We find ourselves between the mighty Tigris and Euphrates rivers, in the heart of what we now call Iraq. Here, the fertile mud of the floodplains is more than just earth. It is the raw material of progress. The sun beats down on the silt, baking the very first bricks of human history. This is a land of transition, where the wild waters are tamed and the foundation of everything we know begins to take shape. The air is thick with the scent of river water and the heat of the desert, marking the dawn of a new era. At the riverbank, a man named Enlil works with quiet focus. He holds a simple reed stylus, pressing it firmly into a slab of soft, wet clay. With each movement, he leaves a series of wedge-shaped indentations. This is cuneiform, the world's first true writing system. Before this moment, human memory was as fleeting as the wind, lost the moment a voice stopped speaking. But now, the world changes. Trade contracts, grain tallies, and the names of kings are no longer whispers. They are etched in stone and clay. Enlil is not just marking tablets. He is capturing time itself, ensuring that the labor of his people will never be forgotten by the generations to come. Nearby, the magnificent city of Uruk rises from the dust. Walls of sun-dried brick stretch toward the horizon, shielding thousands of souls from the unrelenting desert heat. This is the first urban miracle. Farmers work the land with newfound precision, diverting river water into narrow, life-giving channels. They turn barren dust into endless rows of golden wheat. This massive surplus of grain changes the human soul. People no longer need to spend every waking hour hunting for survival. They start building. They gather in the city center, where the first laws are carved into massive pillars. These stones settle disputes over land and water, replacing chaos with the order of a structured society. But what is history? It is more than just the artifacts left in the dirt. It is the study of how we arrived here. Centuries later, across the sea in Greece, a man named Herodotus begins a journey that will change the mind of humanity. He travels to these ancient sites, walking the ruins of empires that have already begun to fade. He listens to the stories of old men, the accounts of brutal wars, and the ledgers of merchants. He moves beyond mere myths and legends of gods. He asks, why? He seeks the truth of past events and the real people who shaped them. By writing these accounts down, he creates a record designed to survive the inevitable collapse of kingdoms. He becomes the father of history. Because of the curiosity of Herodotus and the clay of Mesopotamia, we do not just live in a disconnected present. We hold the map of our origins in our hands. From that first humble clay tablet to the digital screens of the modern world, we are part of a single, unbroken story. We are the inheritors of the path they paved. We are the keepers of the record, forever tracing our way back to the cradle of civilization.